All right. Look where we are. That's right. Yeah, this is going to be a full hotel tour of the Hampton Inn airport location on Wolf Road in Albany, New York. As you walk in, here's the lobby with a nice seating area. Right there's the breakfast area too, with some water. And in here is the fitness center. As you walk in, you see you have an exercise bed, some weights, a medicine ball, a giant ball, and some smaller medicine balls with some air conditioning. There are the rules. Pause if you want to read them. And just get the whole sign in the frame. Like I said, pause if you want to read them. There is an elliptical and an exercise bike. Hey, and 2 mirrors. Hey, there's some towels and trash and a water cooler, trash can, telephone, and a wipe dispenser. There's a meeting room with stairwells. And out here is a fire pit that I believe converts to the pool. I think I have to pull it. Yeah. Wow. So what do you think of this fire pit? That's pretty cool. There's some sort of string lighting that reminds me of weddings. Kind of reminds me of weddings just looking at that. Yeah, I believe this is a pool in the summer months. And I have to use my room key to get back in. MPA. Front desk. Public restrooms. And here are the elevators. They are Westinghouse 5. These were Westinghouse that had been innovated by Schindler. I'm not sure what that sound is in the back. Here we are at 5. Send it down to G. Barely lights up. There's a map of the building right there. Pause if you want to read it. There's a linens closet. This isn't the one I wanted. Send that down. Send that one down and try and get this one. Oh, it didn't close all the way. Yeah, that barely lights up. We got this one. Yep. I am in room 108, which is a king with a pullout, but I'm not going to do a room tour, unfortunately. Let's go down to G. I really like that indicator that they kept intact when this was innovated. I believe these were installed in 1986. These were installed in 1986, I think, according to information I found online of this place, and that's it.